Hi, so in this video we're going to be trying to find the area and the volume of a cat, of a fat cat. So a cat has a large body, has a large head, it's got a tail, and it's got 4 legs. So this is 7 items that we are all going to try and find the area and volume of, then add them up all together. So the first thing that we're going to do is the tail. So the tail right here is a cylinder, okay? The height of it is 20 inches long. So this is 20 inches, and the radius of it is 1 inch. Okay, so the equation we're going to use for this first is the volume. So the volume equals pi times radius squared times height. And in that equation, we will get 62.83 for the volume, and for the area, we will get 131.95. So this right here is our tail. Now we're going to try and find the legs. Because there are 4 legs, not all the same, it's just you try and find 1 and then you times that number by 4. So the volume of the legs is 169.65 because we use this equation because the legs are also cylinder, and the radius for the legs are 3. So the radius of these legs are 3, and the height is 6 inches. So that's where we sub in the radius, we put 3, and the height would be 6. And so, using this equation, we get 169.65. Then we go for the area, and we substitute the radius right here with 3, and the height with 6. And we end up getting the same answer, which is 169.65. So those are the legs. We also time those numbers by 4. Okay, so the last thing now we're going to go for the head. So the head is a spear. This is where the spear comes in. So the head. So you only need the radius for the sphere, and the radius of it is 5 inches. So if we substitute the radius, which is 5 inches, for the volume, we get 523.6, and for the area, we get 314.6. 16 actually. So that's for the head. The last thing to do is the body. So the body has a radius of 10 inches. So the radius is 10 inches. Radius is 10 inches, and the height right here is 20 inches. So that's how the height of it. So if we solve this, which I'm going to do right now, okay, the radius is 10, and the height is 20. So the volume for the body is 6,283.19 inches square, and the area for it is radius is 10. So the area for it is 1,256.64. So these are all our numbers that we all need to add up. So now if we add that up right now, which I'm going to do really quickly, but also we need to times the legs by 4. So 169.65, but because they're the same number, we can actually just times that by 8. Oh no, we can't, but times by 4. And you get 678.6 and 678.6. Okay, so now if we add up the volume, we're going to add up the volume first for the tail, legs, head, and body. So the head is 62.83. The legs is 678.6. And we're going to add that with the head, which is 52.3.6. And last but not least, the body, which is 6283.19. So the volume for the cat is 7,548.22. So that's the volume for the cat. Now we're just going to find the area really quick, and we will get 131.95 plus 678.6 plus 314.16 plus 1256.64. I just screwed that up. Give me 1 second. I have to redo that again. Okay. Sorry. 131.95 plus 678.6 plus 314.16. Last one. Hold with me. 1256.64. And the area for a cat is 2381.35 inches square. And this is also inches square. Okay, thanks for watching.